I have a story here, a leaked conversation, a leaked Jack Dorsey conversation.
Was he talking about Bitcoin?
He probably got some Bitcoin in there. Big Bitcoin guy. No, this was about the Trump ban. A lot of people talking about the Trump ban, social media.
Right now, it's the
free speech inauguration talk. If whether or not social media should be regulated, how it all ties into modern life, and whether or not social media is more powerful than government, since government uses social media. Social media doesn't use government. Whoa.
Dorsey's like, can we stop talking about this political stuff? Let's go back to talking about Bitcoin.
Yeah, Cash App.
Yeah, Cash App.
Did you ever read The Watchmen?
Read it?
The comic? Or
yes,
is it a comic? No, the graphic novel. It's a graphic novel. How dare you? Yeah, who watches The Watchmen?
Yes.
Who watches The Watchmen? Will he do? Anyway, so this guy, somebody inside of Twitter leaked a video call. And in the video call, Dorsey says, we know we are focused on one account right now. This was obviously around the time of the Trump banning. But this is going to be much bigger than just one account. And it's going to go on for much longer than just this day, this week, and the next few weeks. And go on beyond the inauguration. So he was giving a little speech, I guess, to some employees around, I suppose, becoming more active with the banning on Twitter and the policing of Twitter and the type of speech that's going on and all the rest of it. Now, on one side of the fence, people say, good, great, get rid of them. Threats, violence, whatever, all the rest of it. On the other side of the fence, people say, free speech, how dare you? Control, who gets a microphone and who doesn't? And I have a funny feeling it's going to be like this for a while, will he do? And Twitter seems to have become kind of the center of the thing. And this guy from Project Veritas, who got the tip in the first place, claims to have all kinds of Dorsey recordings because some people inside of Twitter obviously disagree with Dorsey's policies, or else they wouldn't be leaking the video clips, or maybe they want some fame or whatever. Whatever their motivation is, this thing has a long way to go.